Good morning, dear students. In the last lecture, we had started chapter Natural Resources and we learnt about renewable and non-renewable resources, and we were learning about uses of natural resources. So let's continue. The increase in population has increased the demand for natural resources. As the population of world is increasing, so demand for natural resources is also increasing because everyone needs them. So there is a need to look for new resources. This would help us to conserve fossil fuels. So we need to find new resources जिससे हम fossil fuels को कंजर्व कर सकें, बिकॉज फॉसिल फ्यूल्स आर limited in quantity, and if we will use them excessively, definitely they will exhaust and we will be needing them. So that's why we need to find new resources for this. The two most important sources of energy include solar and wind power. The two most important sources of energy are solar and wind power. Solar energy is used for heating and generating electricity. We use solar energy for heating and generating electricity. As you have seen in your school also, we have solar panels and we generate electricity through them. Scientists are trying to study how solar energy can be used to power vehicles. So now scientists are trying that they can find out how they can run vehicles on solar energy. Conservation of natural resources. Our natural resources are present in limited quantities. As you already know, we have already learnt about it, that natural resources are in limited quantity. Therefore, there is a need to conserve them. So, we need to conserve them, we need to save them. Some ways to conserve natural resources are listed below. So let us learn them. We should always separate the biodegradable waste from the non-biodegradable waste. So what is biodegradable waste? Waste that mixes with the soil by natural processes. The waste that mixes with the soil with natural process. Natural process के साथ जो waste soil में mix हो जाता है, that is called biodegradable waste. All the maximum kitchen waste is biodegradable waste. Next is non-biodegradable waste. All the plastic things, all the you can say glass bottles, all these things are non-biodegradable waste. What are non-biodegradable? Waste that does not mix with the soil and harms the environment. ऐसा waste जो soil के साथ mix नहीं होता और वो हमारे environment को harm देता है. Next, we should not leave the taps running when not in use. When the taps are not in use, we should not leave them running. We should just turn off the taps. Next, we should not cut the trees. Unnecessarily, trees should not be cut. Look for alternate sources of energy such as solar energy or wind energy. We should try to look for alternate sources of energy जैसे कि solar energy और wind energy. Means जो हम usually fuels use करते हैं उसकी बजाय हमें solar energy और wind energy को use करना चाहिए because they are renewable. We can use them as much as we need them. We should use public means of transport to conserve petroleum. Use vehicles that run on CNG, rather than those run on petrol. We should use CNG vehicles. CNG vehicles means CNG is compressed natural gas. It is not so harmful for environment if we burn CNG for running vehicles than those run on petrol or diesel. Plant more trees to prevent soil erosion. We can prevent soil erosion if we plant more and more trees. Protect our wildlife by banning activities like poaching and hunting. We should protect our wildlife by banning activities like poaching. Poaching means illegal hunting of animals. So we should protect our wildlife by banning activities like poaching and hunting. Hunting of animals should be stopped, and in this way we can conserve our natural resources. So that was all about natural resources. Have a wonderful day, dear children.